teachers, and dear friends. Today, we have gathered with joy and gratitude to celebrate Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to those who guide us, inspire us, and shape our future. A teacher is not just someone who explains lessons from a book. A teacher is one who inspires, who sees the hidden spark in us, and who patiently helps us shape our character and future. Teachers sow seeds of values, confidence, and courage, seeds that grow into the forests of tomorrow. In this fast changing world, one truth remains timeless. Technology may guide us, but only a teacher can touch our soul. Teachers are not just educators, they are the silent architects of our lives. On this special occasion, let us begin our celebration with a prayer.
Kindly join your hands, close your eyes, and do not repeat the prayer after me. Loving God, we thank you for the gift of this new day and for blessing us with the teachers who guide, inspire, and nurture us with patience and love. Today, on Teachers' Day, we lift up in gratitude every teacher who has touched our lives and helped us grow. We ask you to bless our teachers with strength, wisdom, and joy in their noble calling. We also remember with love the teachers who are no longer with us. Grant them eternal peace, Lord, and comfort their families. We pray too for those teachers among us who may be carrying silent burdens or who have lost loved ones. May your grace surround them with healing, courage, and hope. As students, may we learn not only knowledge but also kindness, humility, and service so that we may honor our teachers through the way we live our lives. This we ask for your love's sake. Amen.
I now call upon Sakshat to sing a melodious prayer song dedicated to our teachers.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु चरणन चित धरिए मनवा गुरु चरणन चित धरिए मनवा बेड़ा पार सो ध्यान न धरिए बेड़ा पार सो ध्यान न धरिए गुरु चरणन चित धरिए मनवा गुरु चरणन चित धरिए मनवा गुरु की महिमा अपरंपार गुरु की महिमा गुरु की महिमा अपरंपार साधो जीवन आधार मनवा साधो जीवन आधार मनवा गुरु चरणन चित धरिए मनवा गुरु चरणन चित धरिए गुरु चरणन चित धरिए मनवा गुरु चरणन गुरु चरण चेत धरिये मानवा गुरु चरणन चरणन चित धरिये मानवा गुरु चरणन गुरु चरणन चित धरिये. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakshat, for that soul touching Guru Vandana. What a beautiful way to honor our teachers. Stories teach us life lessons in the most beautiful way. I invite Yash Barve to present the story, The Gift of a Cent.
On this special day, I would like to share a story that shows how deeply a teacher can change a life. There was once a little boy, Rohan, who lost his mother at a very young age. The loss left a deep emptiness in his heart. He became withdrawn, silent, and carried a sadness which no child should ever bear. His teacher, Mrs. Osborne, noticed his loneliness. She gave him extra time, spoke to him gently, encouraged him when he felt low, and most importantly, gave him the love and care that he missed. Slowly, Rohan began to smile again. For him, the teacher was no longer just a guide in the classroom. She had become the comfort of a mother. On the last day of school, as Rohan was leaving, he had brought a small package for his teacher. Inside was a delicate bottle of perfume. With teary eyes, Rohan said, "Ma'am, this was my mother's favorite scent. Whenever I missed her, I would open it and feel that she was near. But now you have been my mother in her place. You deserve this much more than I do, because you gave me back the love I thought I had lost." Mrs. Osborne held the perfume close to her heart. She realized that no award, no certificate, no honor could ever equal the gift she had just received: the love of a child who saw her as his guru, his guiding light, his mother. Years later, when Rohan was grown and successful, he invited Mrs. Osborne to his wedding. As she entered wearing the same fragrance, Rohan's eyes filled with tears. With folded hands, he said, "Teacher, this fragrance is not just a perfume. It is the fragrance of your love, your guidance, and the bond that we will share forever. Thank you."
Reflection. Friends, this story reminds us that a true teacher is not only a giver of knowledge. A teacher is a guru, one who nurtures, one who heals, one who becomes family when we feel alone. On this Teacher's Day, let us remember that the greatest gift a teacher receives is not material things, but the love and respect of their students.
I now invite Rangao Leo from the primary section to recite a poem expressing their love and gratitude towards teachers.
A poem on teachers. You plant no garden, yet flowers bloom. In every mind, you clear the gloom. You light a spark, so small, so bright, that guides our steps through darkest night. Your words are keys, unlocking doors to wisdom's path, to brighter shores. You lift us up when spirits fall, believing in the best in all. No crown you wear, no throne you claim, yet hearts remember your noble name. For wealth may fade and fame depart, but lessons live within the heart. So on this day, with love we say, you shaped the world in your own way. A teacher's gift will never cease. You sow with hope and reap with peace. Thank you and happy Teacher's Day to all.
Thank you, Rangao, for reminding us how special teachers are. Music has the power to reach hearts where words cannot. Our school choir is here with their wonderful melody. Wonderful performance, Koya. Teachers' Day is a time not only for performances, but also to share our heartfelt words of gratitude. I invite Pranesh and Cheti to deliver a speech dedicated to our beloved teachers.
Good morning to one and all present here. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I feel truly happy to have the opportunity to thank our teachers. Teachers are the silent architects who build the foundation of our future. They are the bridges that carry us from dreams to reality. A teacher is not just someone who explains lessons from books, but also someone who teaches us discipline, good values, and the right way to live life. Behind every student's success, there is always a teacher's hard work and sacrifice. They spend their time and energy to make sure we understand, improve, and move forward. Even when we fail, it is our teachers who encourage us to try again and never give up. In today's world, technology has entered classrooms with smart boards and online learning, and our teachers have also adapted to these changes, using them to make our learning better and easier. So today, I sincerely thank all my teachers for guiding us, inspiring us, and shaping who we are. You are our role models and our true inspiration. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranay, for those inspiring words. Truly, teachers deserve our respect, not just today, but every single day. Up next, we have students of class 12 to present a medley to celebrate this special day. Please welcome them with a big round of applause.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, ओ हमनवा। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो। तुमको बुलाऊं ये पल के बिछाऊं, कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो। ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं, सितारों से सजाऊं अगर तुम कहो। मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो, अगर तुम कहो। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। अरे चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना।
Fantastic performance. That medley was filled with joy and energy. Now, let us enjoy a heartfelt Marathi poem by Varadraj Gaikwad, presented with love and respect for our teachers.
नमस्कार, मी वरदराज गायकवाड. आज आपण सारा गुरुजन वर्ग आणि माझ्या प्रिय मित्रांनो, मी आज एक कविता सादर करणार आहे. शिक्षक म्हणजे ज्ञानाचा प्रकाश देण्यास दिवा अखंड तो जळतो. गुरूंमुळेच हा आपल्या जीवनाचा अर्थ खरा कळतो. आयुष्याच्या कोऱ्या कागदीवर सस्ते सुरेख नक्षी, गुरूंच्या ठाई घडती शिष्य इतिहास नवक्रांती. रंको असो की राव ना भेद हिते, हे स्थान जगा वेगळे. ज्ञान सुगंध चहू दिशांना समानतेने दरवळे. दिले सदा ओंजळ भरुनी कमी कुठे ना राहिली. गुरूंचा सहवास म्हणजे ग्रीष्मातही सावली. चरणी लीन होवे माता नको कोणती आसक्ती. मनाच्या गाभाऱ्यात मूर्ती अखंड ठेवत राही दिवठ्यानी. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Varadraj. Drama brings real life lessons to the stage. Our class 10 students are ready with a skit that highlights the value of teachers in our lives.
Let's meet our wonderful cast. First up, we have Mr. Sharma, our maths teacher, played by Aditya Allad. He's strict, yes. He's scary, maybe. But deep inside, he really cares. though you might need to solve 3 equations to see it. History comes alive with Mr. Khan, portrayed by Raghav Manish. He's a walking history book, except sometimes the pages get a little mixed up. And then there's science, our very own lab wizard, Mr. Gupta, played by Apurva Borauke. Be ready. One moment it's chalk dust, the next a volcano. Of course, no school is complete without students. Meet Rahul, the class clown, brought to life by Jonathan Lopez. If laughter is an assignment, he already scored full marks. Next is Harshil, the mischievous one, Vayu Rao. Don't worry, his pranks are harmless, mostly. Then we have Peter, played by Shrenik Sulakshane. He's smart, funny, and talented, but poor guy. His internet connection has a mind of his own. Sir, I was there, but the Wi-Fi wasn't. And finally, the calm amidst the storm. Arjun, portrayed by Siddharth Nisar. Balanced, composed, and somehow still surviving this crazy classroom. So buckle up. You're about to watch the laughter, the chaos, the fun, and the unforgettable bond between teachers and students. Welcome to our classroom skit. Disclaimer: everything you're about to see is purely fictional. Any resemblance to real teachers or students is just a mathematical coincidence.
Teachers are not just people who stand before blackboards, they are guides, mentors, sometimes even silent saviors. While the world may see an ordinary classroom, teachers see dreams hidden in silence, talent hidden in mistakes, and courage hidden in fear. Today, let us step into the world of teachers, where struggles meet hope and where every child is seen not for what they are, but for what they can become. Scene 1: a reunion party. All the teachers are seated and chatting.
Can you believe it? We've all retired now. No more morning rush, no more stress. But students these days, they still don't know Pythagoras' theorem. Some things just don't change.
Are Sharma ji, let the poor students live. You taught them discipline, but also gave them some unforgettable lessons.
Speaking of unforgettable, when was India's independence? 1940? 1947? Oh my, it's not like it was before.
And of course, the confusion in my maths class. Those children, they kept me on my toes.
And my experiments. Remember the day the students mixed soda and vinegar in my absence? Mischievous kids. But they gave me memories for a lifetime.
At least your kids, they remember their experiments. My students struggled with history dates. One even wrote that India got independence in 1987.
Oh my goodness. For them, even the 90s were like ancient history.
And remember online classes?
Oh yes, how can I forget? Those were some really stressful but fun times.
And remember the PTA meetings?
Of course, many incidents come to mind.
Let's take a walk down memory lane. Scene 2: a flashback to Mr. Sharma's math class.
Good morning, class. So, boys, today I'll be checking your homework. And those who haven't done it, please be honest. Rahul, what's the excuse this time?
Sir, I had done my homework, but then while coming to school, a dog chased me. So to protect myself, I used my notebook. The poor dog chewed it up.
Rahul, the excuses you give.
Sir, what can I do?
Find this equation and I'll spare you for today.
Sir, Harshal's ex ran away. Don't ask me to find her.
Oh yeah? Well, she ran away so I could find someone better.
Then she must be blind, I guess.
Hey, characters, stop this nonsense. Your love life is undefined.
Scene 3. A flashback to Mr. Gupta's chemistry class.
Boys, continue with your experiments. I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Let's make elephant toothpaste. That'll be tubular.
Yeah, let's do it. That's not a good idea. Oh!
You nut! What have you done?
Sir, we just wanted to make science more exciting.
What kind of attitude is this, Harshal? You definitely need some counseling.
Sir, the counselor won't be able to keep up with my explosive aura.
Oh, I just can't keep up with your Gen Z terms.
Scene 4. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the students are confined to their homes and attending online classes.
Hello, class. I'll be taking attendance now. Rahul. Rahul, wake up. Wake up, Rahul.
Sorry, sir. I was dreaming about homework.
At least complete your dream then. Next, Harshal. Harshal, please mute.
Sorry, sir. That was my mom and my dog and maybe the neighbor too.
Class, I'm beginning with the lecture. Peter, can you tell me when the French Revolution began?
Sir, issues, sir.
Strange, beta. You say your internet isn't working, but your Instagram story doesn't say so.
Scene 5. The PTA meeting.
Boys, leave the class. You've passed the test.
Good morning, sir. This is my father.
Sir, why did you send the boys out in such a hurry?
Because your son, he has done wonders in class.
Oh my god, my son got 100 out of 100? That really is wonderful.
No. This was your son's paper. He submitted a blank paper. We gave it to another student as a supplement. He got 100 out of 100. Your son has failed miserably.
This is very bad, beta. I'm grounding you for a month now. No phone, no TV, no playing. Just stay in the house.
Scene 6. The present day. We are back at the reunion.
Good morning, teachers.
Thank you, but who are you?
Teachers, don't you remember me? I'm Rahul from the batch of 2011. Yes, I used to struggle with maths, but now I have become a financial advisor.
And I am Arjun. My artwork is now published in comic books, and I'm currently working with Marvel Comics. And Mr. Khan, you saw what no one else saw in me. I'm really grateful for that.
And I am Peter. Today, I work in a science and research lab. And Mr. Gupta, your faith in my questions gave me a future. Oh, and Mr. Khan, I now have much better internet than during the online classes.
To our teaching days, full of laughter, learning, and unforgettable memories.
To Teachers' Day.
And to memories that never retire.
Conclusion. Behind every shining student is a teacher who once said, I believe in you. A teacher's reward is not in salary or fame, but in watching their students rise higher, fly farther, and shine brighter. A teacher may not always leave behind monuments or inventions, but they leave behind something greater, hearts filled with courage and lives forever changed. On this Teacher's Day, let us remember a teacher plants seeds of knowledge, waters them with patience, and nurtures them with love. And though they may not sit in the shade of the trees they plant, generations after generations rest under their shelter. The end.
Wonderful act. That skit beautifully showed us how teachers shape our journey with care and wisdom. And now, with full energy and rhythm, Class 10 students are ready to set the stage alive with their dance performance. Let's cheer for them.
तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो आज लम्हे से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के नाचेंगे हीरो बनकर जय जय शिव शंकर रंगूड़ है भयंकर रंगूड़ है दो रंगूड़ है दो आए रंग शंकर के मूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ है दो रंगूड़ है दो जय जय शिव शंकर रंगूड़ है भयंकर रंगूड़ है दो रंगूड़ है दो
We are the sounds of the streets.
आया हूँ आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा मुकाबला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला You blew out, we are surrounded, but I can only see the lights. Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. करते हनेरे घटदे उंगड़ा छुपा के तू धनक फिरदी की वे रब ने दो दाना उते नीलम जड़े चम 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 के सितारे वारी 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 pushing on me. Don't you make nobody have to do this all me. We dance until the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chum ke sitare waari
That was indeed an energetic performance. Teachers, I hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. Up next, our class 11 girls will take the stage with a graceful dance performance.
మంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోళ్ళు నేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గచ్చ కడితే నిద్రపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
సుకులాడి స్వప్న సుందరి నీ మడత సుకు మా పటేల మల్ల పందిరి రచ్చరాజు గుండె గుప్పిని నీ పంక పుష్టి గుండెలోన తీరి తిరిగిరి
రసిక రాజు మరి నా దాసు బావ నీతో ఎప్పుడింత కిరికిరి ఏ రసిక రాజు మరి నా దాసు బావ నీతో ఎప్పుడింత కిరికిరి
కుర్చీని మాట్లాడే
రామంటూనే చిన్నదో చిన్నదో రాములరి గుడికొచ్చే చిన్నదో చిన్నదే రామంటూనే చిన్నదో చిన్నదో రాములరి గుడికొచ్చే చిన్నదో చిన్నదే రామంటూనే కుర్రదో కుర్రదో తోటకడకొచ్చిందే కుర్రదో కుర్రదే
நாடின் நன்மகனே பொன்மகனே முத்தாயவனே இன்னும் சூரியனும் சந்திரனும் முன்னாயவனே காலம் காத்து வச்ச ரட்சகனே சிம்ஹாரகனே கண்கள் கண்ணனாய் வந்தவனே பயமே மாறிப்போனி அண்ணன் வந்தால் தும்பிட்டு நெல்லை இருட்டில் சிட்டி வாழும் ராஜாவுக்கு எல்லாரும் சொல்ல இவனை தொழுவாரா என்னும் ஜனத்திரக்க காலம் எடுத்து வச்சால் சொர்க்கம் போலும் மக்கள் பருவ Illuminati, Illuminati, Illuminati,
Beautiful performance. Thank you, Class 11 girls, for that elegant presentation. As a token of our appreciation, I now invite the prefects of Class 10, Class 12, and the primary section to come forward and felicitate our beloved teachers with a card and a flower. This small gesture represents our immense gratitude for all the love, wisdom, and dedication that you pour into our lives every day. I request students of class 11 to come forward to present a melodious song for this special felicitation. Prefects, please make your way to the teachers and present these tokens of our heartfelt thanks. Prefects. As we come to the end of today's program, let us remember that teachers are not celebrated just on this day, but every single day through our respect and actions. A special thanks to our beloved teachers. Today is about you, and we are forever grateful for your constant guidance and support. Now, I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem.